Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another music reaction video. Today I got this artist called Keemfazo Speed official music video. So we're gonna check this out. I like the effect. I like the drone effect. I don't know if they did it like by themselves or they just download a drone effect, but this is nice though. I like it. And the transition is cool.
This life me I live, day normally and I watch my speed music. I'm a crop, my water, my seed. Mommy say what they plant is what they go and reap. So my work for my goal and soon my go and read. That I wait for the youth, my dad, my go and lead. That's a lot for the things I'm a want and my need. Enough man dead from a bitch named greed. In a life work smart I am.
Oh, that was cool. Enough man dead from the bitch named Greed. Hello, loss is the bitch. Greed is a dude still, but still cool.
Watch the direction, no worry about speed. I know watch man things, cause things not come cheap. Want more for myself, new things me I pray. Big house on the hill with a Benz and a Jeep. Plus 25 years when me dead me go see. Watch your words where you talk, watch the things where you speak. Before you try walk, if you learn how to creep. Watch your head back and the friends where you keep. Them I carry you.
That's true, bro. That's true. Watch your head back.
I'ma stay to myself and I need one leap of people around me just to feel complete. Climbing to the top and go and reach to the peak. I'm not going to stop cause the hill get steep. Come there upon a mission and it must complete. If it not feel right then nobody go and do it. You alone know the struggle and everybody see it. And everybody see it.
That's true, dude. When I struggle through life and everything, and then when you actually make it sometime, just like people not for fight because you struggle to make it, you finally get where you get and people are fighting, you see me? That's the way of life, man. Like the bitch named Greed.
Mama coulda tell her from a smile me elite. New generation them style obsolete. Coulda give them all if I don't still a good to feel me. Granny always tell me keep them out close when they eat and smile on your face and a plot when they sleeping. Thank God for life, come and get up on my breathing. Everything
sure,
nice and my money increasing. Lock down the game, them swear so me cheat. If me catch the right place, so me gone and me leave. Them a talk about love, but coulda tell you the meaning. Stabbing on my back, dog, the wound still healing. Friend of my
ooh, dude. Honest to God. Dude, I'm not gonna even. I know a big man who did something like that to me. Like I know a big man that you would respect, and they did something to you, and it was kind of like a stab in the back. So I know the feeling what he's actually saying, bro. Like crazy. Crazy.
But tell the pussy them a not stress, cause we God bless us people before. Now the killer heartless. I'ma want do more, so you know my talk less. I'ma want do more, so you know my talk less. You know them upset, cause the youth up next. And I'm cool to stop the thing because it start complex. Me I do me one thing, I really care who vex. 10 milli, me a pre, me no want a smart check. Me no want a smart check. Me a study money like it was a subject. So me want get rich enough man in debt. And if you follow them better way expect.
Dude, that's true, bro. Me, I know people talk about, oh, money can't let you happy. That's bullshit, bro. Being broke, not making you happy either. I'd rather be rich, bro.
Better way expect this life me I live. Day normally and I watch my speed music. I'm a crop, my water, my seed. Mommy say what they plant is what they go and reap. So my work for my goal and soon my go and reach.
Keemfazo. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can check out the official channel. And yeah, pretty cool song though, bro. Like these other songs with like your like upliftment tune, and you know, like yeah, try to strive and try to make a better living or a better choice in life. So big up to the young artists, isn't it?